Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We're a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. We went to one of our favorite bashing spots and made a new friend.
I mean, this actually, so some of the electronics I took from an 8-scale buggy. This is a 100 amp ESC brushless. So you could run 4S, but it cuts out. And I built this to run 4S, but I have to order actually, I'm going to actually swap these two ESCs because there's a 130 amp ESC in here. But I wouldn't run 4S in this. This says it can run 4S, but if you look inside the differentials and stuff, it's actually smaller gearing. And people do run 4S, so we'll see if it survives. If not, I'll have to buy some new, differentials and stuff and scale down the motor. But from what I've seen, like I did run this on a 550 size motor, 3500 kV on 3S, and it was fast. 3S with that motor, it's okay, but I wanted to, have the potential of running like monster truck tires on this guy. Just bashing a little harder with it because it is a fairly stout rig.
Totally. What kind of body is that? I really like that body.
That's actually Helion.
Invictus or what is it?
The Rock Rider.
Oh, the Rock Rider?
This actually, so Helion, there's a couple of companies that share Helion parts. They're just not branded Helion. Yeah, so that's actually what was it? VRX Cobra. VRX. I got it from Banggood.
Okay.
Or not Banggood. No, I did get that from Amazon. I was looking at GearBest, but I got it from Amazon because it was quicker shipping. Short course, and it's basically the Helion Rock Rider with different suspension in the back. It wasn't a solid axle. And I actually got a Helion Rock Rider months ago before I really kind of figured out what I was doing with this stuff, because I used to RC when I was younger and then got back into it.
Yeah, me too.
And it's so different now, right? So that thing ended up breaking kind of bad. I liked the body, but I sold everything. And then I ended up getting the VRX because it was, I want to say it was like $150.
Oh, nice.
I had all the electronics to upgrade to, but just like any other brand, it ended up, like it withstood the brushless system for like a short while.
Yeah. And
kept the body. Yeah, kept the body. And so now I've been like kind of switching over to reputable brands like Proline, Losi. My next one, if I get a next one, I'm looking at like the Kyosho Inferno.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, gas? Nitro? Or
no, the
brushless?
The red. I don't know if I want to get the kit or the ready to run. I'd like to get the kit, but that's $700.
Yeah.
Either that or another Losi, but more of like a 8-scale e-buggy. I haven't decided. Like for now, like I'm happy with this, like because a lot of these like off brands, they're great, but can't buy parts.
Nope. Parts availability is the thing.
Yeah, I have a Thunder Tiger Bushmaster. I got that at JJ's Customs in San Jose. And that thing is great. It's really good, but just like anything else, like I bash hard. I'm like, I start to see the out drives kind of wear away. I'm like, and I'm looking online. I'm like, this is gonna come from Asia. Yeah. It's gonna take a month, so that's why I ended up getting this thing to kind of make sure that I have something that I can replace.
Part stateside. Yeah, I'm not hearing anything totally abnormal. I mean, it might just be the motor cogging. Oh, I hear it now. Yeah.
I would assume that's not like I can hear a whistling in videos that I've seen of this car, but that clicking.
No, do you remember which? So you were saying like one of the pins was kind of jagged?
Yeah. So like the pin,
the cross pins and the diff.
One of them like came. I should probably just change that out.
Yeah, I definitely shoot him an email in advance and just be like, hey, the pins didn't look quite right. Was it center, rear?
I'd have to, because they're all the same.
Yeah.
Except for like the actual gear on it. I'll have to open them up. I don't remember it now.
Yeah, and you'll be able to tell, like, when you open them up. I mean, I'd start with the center just because it's the easiest to get to.
Yeah. It's awesome I ran into you. I was like, man, I don't know anyone. Like, this isn't really a heavily reviewed kit.
No, it isn't. That's a lot of fun. It doesn't feel fast. I mean, slow to me at all, but
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. But like, I was driving this on 4S the other day.
yeah.
But because the ESC can't really handle it, it's constantly cut out. So I mean, it's crazy on 4S.
I bet. Yeah, and especially if you throw some bigger tires on there.
Yeah.
I mean, even with this, yeah. What type of tires are these?
Those are actually dirt tracks.
Dirt tracks, okay.
Of course, yeah. I think those because it's
Yes, yes. Yeah. Proline's got good tires, but you know, it's this is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, so this is the Baja Ray, and this is.
This thing's pretty fun. It's like lock diff in the back.
Okay.
Like it wants to fuck all the time, but like it actually plants like fairly well. I have, you know, I don't have a Spectrum. This is a Fly Sky, but it has like an AVC kind of system called SVC. I don't know if I have it turned on right now. But yeah, so basically it'll just keep you kind of like centered the whole time. You know, like it's kind of turned low, but see how the wheels will adjust.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think right now it is, because these are slightly bigger tires. This thing does like about 50. But if you
Yeah. So is this on 3S right now?
3S with stock 3800 kV. Yeah, it's,
I got
this
you.
thing is
It's a beast. I love how it looks.
yeah, a lot of people will do this sort of deal, just take off the panel. I mean, I appreciate the trophy truck look, but it's just so bulky and it acts like a parachute.
Yeah, yeah.
Plus, like, pretty much all my cars, I only have cars that have the cage system on it. So I wanted to keep it fun.
We're of similar mindset there. This is like I've been veering toward the cages, just because my bodies get so thrashed.
Yeah, I mean, I can't, you know, like growing up with the Javelin.
Yeah.
Like, like all those like exo cage buggies that were like, so exclusive to get. Like,
Yep.
I kind of come from that world. I have a buddy actually. I don't think he's any longer at Sledgehammer, but he has like the old school Hornet and all these old Tamiya cars. He's purely Tamiya. And his collection is like, I forgot how awesome those were. So we came out the other day, and we had, you know, the Sentin, the Nomad. I had, I think, that car or a car like that, that car in particular. And he was racing his Tamiya Avante. You remember that car?
Was that the aerodynamic looking one?
Yes. Awesome looking one. That was like 500 bucks or something.
Yeah, that was like their high end one, huh?
Yeah, and he was in a brushless system with a, I don't know, size battery. He was actually keeping up. I mean, when it comes to turns and all that, his little 10 scale was like keeping up with all the 8 scale stuff. And it was just amazing to watch. I'm like, man, I forgot how awesome these were. And I never really suspected those old school Tamiya cars to like actually be, you know, kind of like race oriented.
Their high end stuff was, yeah, their low end stuff was just super fragile. Oh man, I think it's definitely made for this. Woo!
I'm not the best at landing.
Neither am I.
Yeah, I mean, knock on wood, I get to bust something on this. It's like it's running. Oh my.
Yeah, that eyelet. So it's just back in there, the shock eyelet.
It snapped the top. There wasn't a complete break on it, which was nice. But yeah,
It's cracked.
Actually, we're a hockey town today.
Yeah.
I was thinking about throwing some power strokes on this guy.
Some what? Sorry.
The Proline power strokes.
Ah, shocks.
Yeah, let's see if I can.
Oh, yep. It's all good. See? Oh, thank you.
I haven't gotten that down yet. Like,
Break in midair, yeah. You need a good two-wheel drive to practice on, or less step brakes.
Is it different, like correcting jumps with a two-wheel versus four-wheel?
No, same.
It's the same.
Getting a little. Oh.
Disconnect.
Yeah, it's probably just my power. This it happens on hard landings. Yeah, I had a couple of four-wheel drives, and then, well, I guess my Pro MT and the Thunder Tiger MT4, those are probably, well, yeah, that one's, I gotta do some work on it though. The diffs, front diff's bad. Ooh.
So I know like Robner sells some stuff. Thunder Tiger obviously, but it's like overseas shipping.
Yeah, that's why I haven't bashed it hard, because I'm like, I bought it, you know, when it was still being made. So now that it isn't anymore, it's, yeah. So, you know, I've been kind of debating it. Well, you know, do I sell it? You know.
Like, I mean, the Bushmaster, from what I could tell, that thing is a tank.
Mm-hmm.
Like, other than the outdrives, which, you know, you figure like if you're a bastard, you're like destroyed. But everything else, like I've had horrible landings, and it's like, oh, it's still intact. Like, the thing is just built well. And I think it could be wrong, but like, just looking at it generically, I'm like, oh, this is basically.
Heart's just not in it, huh?
He also has a girlfriend now. So.
Uh-oh. I hope I didn't go into water. I'll be easy on her. I like this radio. I've got a GT3B.
Yeah, this is the 5.
Yeah.
It's a 6-channel. And they got the new one, the NB4, whatever. That thing that looks like a.
Shock's still good. Still holding together. This thing is fast.
That's with like it comes with like a 13.2 thing, and that's down to like 10.
Oh wow! So you actually, and it handles the 3S just fine.
Yeah, it's interesting. Like the steering is a little sloppy when it comes down to it, but as soon as maybe with that ABC on, like once you correct it, like it points you.
Yeah.
I think this is the same rig that my buddy has. He just has the short course thing on it.
Oh yeah. It probably, yes, the Torment.
Yeah. Have you seen the? There's a guy out here that has a 4x4, and his like. I'm sure there's other people that do it, but that guy just sends it all the time. And because of the body, like that, it acts like a parachute. It just floats, and then he'll like be at a weird angle and like correct it. I don't even know how. But I guess that's the advantage of having like a, you know, like a body like that.
Yeah. Well, thanks again for watching. Let us know what you guys think of videos like this in the comments. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if we've earned it, and that notification bell, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks again for watching.